The whole process of what people want is for us not to go through a process of decentralisation. We would never have created Canberra. Canberra would not exist.
The member for New England has stressed parts of the public service will relocate from Canberra whether they want to or not.
But how do you know what's useful? If you are asked to relocate thousands of kilometres away, how would you make that decision?
Findus.space solves this problem by inputting simple criteria and matching against a range of datasets. Our algorithm recommends a regional centre that meets your needs.
So the user inputs preferences according to their lifestyle, for example, their internet connectivity, proximity to the beach, or access to social services.
The program then outputs a location in Australia and the reasons why that location was chosen based on open datasets.
Cost-benefit analysis is complete, and in some areas it's indeterminate, in some areas it's saying yes, there's a sort of a benefit here, other areas it's saying it's marginally not a benefit.
We put a lot of datasets in there. We have internet connectivity by dwelling type and mean rent by landlord type from the 2016 census. What else was there?
We also used two-party preferred federal election results from the last election from the Australian Electoral Commission, and we calculated the population and the distance to the coast for every town in Australia from the Bureau of Statistics Digital Boundaries of Australia dataset.
One of the great things about this project is getting to mash together a bunch of different datasets in a fun way, and R is a language designed exactly for that. This was a bit of a cheeky project, and we had a lot of fun weighing these different factors up. Many of these datasets broke the country up into different areas, and we used Geographic Information Systems, or GIS software, to match these areas up.
To build the user interface, we first sketched a basic prototype and tested it within the team. We built a simple wireframe using an existing design library and the collaborative design software Figma. This was transferred into an InVision prototype that we used to check the flow and perform basic user testing.
We built a web app using Shiny and deployed it to an Ubuntu server running on Amazon Web Services. The .space domain was provided by Radix for GovHack competitors along with the AWS credit.
We used Trello to break down the project into tasks and assign work to team members. Source control was managed on GitHub with all team members contributing. We spent a lot of time this weekend building our underlying data model and user interface. Now that this is tested, we'd like to go back and fine-tune our data sources and selection algorithm to find the data points that most matter to those looking to relocate.